Robyn Hyden here from Alabama Arise. Last week, in response to the president's request, Governor Ivey called the Alabama legislature into an emergency special session. The purpose of the session was to allow the governor to call for special elections in 4 congressional districts and 2 state senate districts. So after a 5-day lightning fast session, 2 bills were passed and enacted, HB 1 and SB 1, which will do just that. Why special elections? Because on Monday, after an appeal from the state of Alabama, the Supreme Court has now cleared the way for those congressional district lines to revert in congressional districts 1, 2, 6, and 7. And yesterday, the governor has called for a second primary for those new district lines on Tuesday, August 11th. So if you live in South Alabama, Central Alabama, the Black Belt, the Wiregrass, and large parts of Birmingham, you will still go vote on May 19th like everyone else in the regular primary. You will also have a new primary for the new district lines on Tuesday, August 11th, just for your member of Congress. Not only is this extremely confusing, expensive to the state, and onerous to voters, we believe this action is illegal. It defied a previous injunction from the Supreme Court. It also violated a state law that no election laws can be changed within 6 months of an election. This action targeted majority Black voting districts to break up those districts and dilute the power of Black voters to elect the candidates of their choice. We can't have inclusive democracy when lawmakers are not held accountable to their constituents. What can you do about it? First and foremost, you still need to go vote in the primary on Tuesday, May 19th. Check your polling place, make sure your registration is up to date at alabamavotes.gov, and please make a plan to vote. The second thing you can do is show up and speak out. Thank you to the hundreds of you who showed up in person in Montgomery to protest last week and joined us in speaking out against these bills, with thousands of y'all sending emails or phone calls to your state and House members. Please continue to let them know how this action impacts you. And last but not least, this Saturday, May 16th, we'll join with thousands of y'all in Montgomery at the state capitol at 1 p.m. to protest and say enough. Now is the time to stand together and fight for our voting rights. Thank you for standing with us.